Hello Tech Toolers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will look at one more creative creation tool, Simplified. Log in into Simplified and you will find a very familiar interface that because it is a competitor of Canva. You can create creatives from scratch or you can use template library. On the left hand side panel you will find dashboard. You can browse for templates. Under my project you will find your projects which are saved. You can use AI writing tool with a paid account. You can plan the content creation with inbuilt planner and calendar. Below this you will find yours and your team members saved templates. Let's create a YouTube thumbnail by hitting new project. You will find all the editing options on the taskbar. Finally, after creating the project, you can directly share the image to social media platforms or download the image. You can select the type and the size of the image for download. Thanks for watching Tech Toolers. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon.